Hey there and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the OLSP system and I'm stoked to share the details with you. If you're interested in checking out, you can see the link in my description. So the OLSP system priced at $7 opens up a world of opportunities. Once you've grabbed your spot, you'll go through 3 simple steps. First step is to join the Facebook group. Where you will see a lot of people giving their testimonials, they're sharing their journey, their commissions. It's a very helpful community, and I really suggest that if you do decide to take this, that you join the Facebook group. Step 2 involves navigating through the products that is available. So I joined over in December, and for what I got, and it's only for a limited time, you get the Facebook 101, where Wayne is the owner. He is explaining to you how to promote your product onto Facebook One, and the Comment Dominator Pro, which will give you access to make a little bit of more commissions. We have a traffic challenge start, which is a 5-day process which Wayne is going through with you to teach you how to promote on TikTok, Facebook, and I really enjoyed this. And then we have the OLSP user guide. So the main thing you will do once you join this community and this link is you will get your own mega link, which you then afterwards will promote and get people to come to the system, and for anything else that they buy, you get a commission for. So here we have a list building magic link. There's still the vertical video. There's the team builders, OLSP VIP, the mega builders, the elite, TD pages, mega builders software. So as you can see, that one link gives you the opportunity to earn commission on all of these other products should someone decide to buy from it. Now here you can track your stats. So you will find your leads. Under your leads, you will see your commissions, and then here is the dashboard, and also you can buy traffic from Wayne. Let me just show you how the Comment Dominator Pro works. Let's sign in again. So in here, what he has given us an opportunity for is you will see post titles here, which is from either Wayne or some of the other members, and you can go and comment on that, and for every comment you post you get a small commission for. Also we have the Facebook, and this one it gives you the complete guide, the basics of Facebook, adding your friends, your profile setup, when to post. And then when we go to the traffic challenge, here as you can see is a 5-day challenge that he gives you to start off with. Once you've bought the link right now, it's only for a limited time, and then each day he teaches you a different platform to promote your product on, or your link. I also have the Mega Messenger, which is a CRM platform that helps you to generate leads on your Facebook itself. The next one I will be taking is this traffic rotator. So for the traffic rotator is where you're going to pay monthly for guaranteed traffic to the leads, and the mega link, potentially earning high ticket commissions. So all of these products that is under the Discover More is high ticket products. I hope this helps. I just wanted to show you as well. So Wayne has training each and every day. So he's really hands-on to teach us how the system works and how to become the best affiliate possible. So to sweeten this deal, if you sign up under my link, I have a funnel as well, which you will get, that you can promote as your lead magnet. So when you get the funnel, you will get a page that looks like this in System.io. I really like System.io. Your mails is going to come through here. The funnel. So this will be your main page. And then once they sign in and you capture that email, they will come to the video page. Which then afterwards my buddy Wayne will explain to them step by step on how to set up this funnel and send your links to the funnel itself. So each of these video is going to show you, once you have your link, how to set it up and promote this funnel as your own as well. In my opinion, OLSP is a fantastic option for newbies diving into affiliate marketing. The $7 investment can potentially lead to multiple streams of income, making it an exciting venture. If you're ready to get started, find the top link in the description, and if you use my link, you'll get those extra bonuses. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and if there's anything else you need me to review, leave the comment in the section too. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.